I'm Anthony F. Elmore, President and founder of the proud Black Buddhist World Association, here to bring you another exciting Black Buddhist lecture. It is important that you have Black Buddhist teachers. The Buddhist teachings was started in the area of India, which was once known as Eastern Ethiopia. Now, from Eastern Ethiopia came in a black kingdom of people who called the Nagas, and this was called the Magadha Empire. From the Magadha Empire, you see, it was started by a black man by the name of Sisu Naga. From Sisu Naga came the Magadha Empire, and these were only black people. You see, ancient India, people left Africa. They were called the Kushites, and the Kushites migrated all over the world. And they set up in the area of India and Eastern Ethiopia a place called the Indus Valley Civilization, or the Saravati River Civilization. And from that civilization came the Magadha Empire. My lecture today is, from the Buddhist religion, we get the cross. African Christians are Buddhists who came up with the cross. Now, Abraham, it is British historian Godfrey Higgins who teaches us that Abraham was a Brahmin, and Abraham means a Brahmin. And the teachings of the two Christs is the teachings of the African Christ, and the white Christ was the teachings of Abraham or the Brahmin. On page 256 of the Anaclipsis, Godfrey Higgins writes, quote, "The real, true, conscientious Buddhists must have been an exact prototype of Jesus Christ, as I shall prove both in doctrine and practice," unquote. You see, the real and original Christians in world history were the Black Buddhists. For the record, before any white man ever thought of being a Christian, the real and original Christians were Black Buddhists. Now, on page 230 in the Anaclipsis, Godfrey Higgins writes, quote, for the origin of the cross, we must go to the Buddhists and the Lama of Tibet. In Tibet, this cross is called a dajuri. Now, the African cross of the Anak in ancient Egypt came from the Buddhist teachings. The cross in Roman Christianity did not become official until King Constantine of Rome endorsed the cross hundreds of years after the death of Christ. Now, while the cross is the foundation of the Christian religion, the cross in Buddhism symbolizes the Buddhist concept of enlightenment. It was the African Christians or Buddhists who came up with the cross. Now, please note that the word Christ in Buddha means the same thing. The word Jesus represents an individualized level of enlightenment in Christian experience. See, Christ, on the other hand, represents an epitaph in the explanation of the quality of enlightenment reached by Jesus. For this reason, in the context of Western mysteries, Jesus represents the perfect mode, the inner workings of the purified substance in the vehicle in which the path of awakening, the level of Christ consciousness takes place. Now, the word consciousness. Now, in Sirach, Messiah, and in Greek, Christos means the anointed one. As for the word Nazarene, the meaning is, quote, he who reveals what is hidden. Now, as far as the word Messiah, it has two meanings. The Christ, or the anointed one, and the measured one, unquote. Now, please note that Jesus in Hebrew means redemption, and the word Nazareth means the truth. Thus, the Nazarene means the truth. Jesus had attained Nazaretha, perfect spiritual enlightenment, and that he also taught this path to others. Hence, Jesus and his disciples were Nazarenes, or Nazarenes, meaning followers of the mystic path to God, or the pure being. The original apostles used the term Jesus the Nazarene, Messiah, which means Jesus the Nazarene, the Christ, the anointed one. Atone and enlightenment is one and the same word. Remember, now, his last name is Christ. The first name is Jesus. The middle name is Nazarene. Now, hence, the name Jesus Christ of Nazareth means the anointed one, the giver of truth, the bringer and the source of redemption, the revealer of what is hidden, the enlightened one, who has the gift to awaken one. The teachings of Christ and Buddha was originally based on the teachings of enlightenment. Now, please note that the Buddha Dharma is the eightfold path. We practice the Dharma. The Dharma is the right view, the right intention, the right speech, the right action, the right livelihood, the right effort, the right concentration, and the right mindfulness. What you have here is us, who are proud Black Buddhists, who teach a Buddhism based on science. We are more like Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson, and that we stand proud and we teach the Lotus Sutra, the highest of the Buddhist teachings. The title of the Lotus Sutra is Yo-Ho Renge Kyo. Yo means correct, Ho means law. Renge is the symbol of the lotus flower, which means the law of cause and effect, and the word Kyo means teachings, or the Buddha teaches all the teachings of the universe. And the word Namu means to awaken. So we, who teach Buddhism, awaken to the correct law of cause and effect teaching. Anyway, I am Anthony Elmore, President and founder of the Proud Black Buddhist World Association, bringing you another Black Buddhist lecture